Welcome to digital online classes. Today I am discussing the problems from the chapter of application of derivative. From this chapter you will get 3 to 4 questions, and I'll discuss today some previous questions which were asked in the Eamcet examination. This is Dr. Abdul Hai. Right? Now write down the first question. The first question is the perpendicular distance from the origin to the normal drawn at any point on the curve x is equal to a into cos theta plus theta sin theta and y is equal to a into sin theta minus theta cos theta is the options are a theta, a square, a and a theta. So first of all you try to understand the question what he says, the perpendicular distance from the origin to the normal. So it means that we have to find the equation of normal, and after finding the equation of normal, we have to find the perpendicular distance, and the answers are given something. Okay, basically here there are two curves, so they are nothing but in terms of theta. So it means that we have to apply the parametric differentiation. Is it clear? So I am doing the same thing that is doing partially doing parametric differentiation with respect to theta. So given equations are, given curves are, first one is x is equal to a into cos theta plus theta sin theta, and second one is a into sin theta minus theta cos theta. Is it clear? Now, first of all, I am finding dx by dt, differentiating with respect to theta. So you may get dx by d theta is equal to a into theta cos theta. Similarly, if you differentiate this with respect to theta, so what you are getting, dy by d theta is equal to a into theta into sin theta. Okay, therefore what is my dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta by dx by d theta, which gives me sin theta by cos theta, which is nothing but tan theta. Okay, so this I can write as sin theta by cos theta. What is this? This is the equation of, this is the slope of the tangent. So slope of the normal means it will be inverted. Okay, now this is the first step. So what is our second step? To find the equation of normal. Therefore equation of normal is y minus y1. What is y1? That is a sin theta minus into minus plus a theta cos theta. Directly I am writing. Okay, is equal to m. M is nothing but sin theta by cos theta, but I want here minus 1 by m, so it will be inverted and it becomes minus cos theta by sin theta into x minus x1. What is your x1? A cos theta minus a theta sin theta. Okay, so if I do the cross multiplication and simplify, on simplifying you may get this equation in the form as x cos theta plus y sin theta minus a is equal to 0. Okay, so this is the equation of the normal. Okay, this is nothing but your equation of the normal, but I want the perpendicular distance from origin to this normal. Therefore here I can write perpendicular distance from origin to x cos theta plus y sin theta minus a is equal to 0 is nothing but mod of c by root a square plus b square. You know this formula, mod c What is a mod c? Minus a. Minus a becomes plus a. Whole divided by root of a square plus b square. What is a here? Cos theta. What is b? Sin theta. Therefore, cos square theta plus sin square theta, which is nothing but 1. Therefore, which gives me a by 1 is nothing but a. Therefore, my correct answer is which one? It is the third option. Have you clear understood this? Right. So, only the thing is that we have the concept of differentiation and you must know the formula. Now, area of a circle increases at the rate of 1 by root pi square units per second. Then the rate at which the parameter of the circle changes, comma, when the perimeter is root pi units. Basically, this type of the questions from the application of derivative are very lengthy. Okay, so now write down the solutions. The options are: first option is 2, second option is 4, third option is 1 by root pi, and the fourth option, that is D, is equal to root pi. And this was asked in 2020 examination. Now, first of all, I will analyze the problem. So, what he says, the area of the circle increases at the rate of 1 by root pi square units per second. So, dA by dt is equal to 1 by root pi. I don't want to write the definitions. Okay. And what is saying also? And the perimeter of the circle changes, the rate at which the perimeter of the circle changes. So, it means that you have to find the dP by dt. And when the perimeter is root pi. So, how much perimeter is given as? Perimeter is given as root pi. Okay. So, P is equal to root pi. Now, I have to find the value of dP by dt. Is it clear? No. You know that area of the circle is denoted by A, which is equal to pi r square. Right? If I differentiate this, there is nothing but dA by dt is equal to 2 pi r into dr by dt. But what is given? dA by dt is given as 1 by root pi. So, in place of this dA by dt, I am writing 1 by root pi is equal to 2 pi r into dr by dt. So, this implies that if I want to write the value of dr by dt is equal to, this is nothing but 1 by 2 pi r into root pi. So, we have obtained the value of dr by dt. Right? Now, basically, what is given? P is given as, perimeter is given as root pi. Okay? What is perimeter of the circle? It is 2 pi r. 2 pi r is equal to root pi. So with this, I can find the value of r is equal to root pi by 2 pi. R it is nothing but 1 by 2 root pi, because root a by a is equal to 1 by root a. So it means that the value of r is equal to 1 by 2 root pi. Now, again, come to here, perimeter of the circle is nothing but 2 pi r. We are interested in finding the value of dp by dt. So it means that I have to differentiate this with respect to t. So dp by dt is equal to 2 pi r, will be constant, r is nothing but dr by dt. Okay, so this is equal to 2 pi as it is into dr by dt. Just now we have obtained the value of dr by dt, that is 1 by 2 pi r into root pi. Okay, so 2 pi cancel, which gives me 2 pi cancel, which gives me r root pi. R root pi is equal to, but what is r? Just now I have obtained r here, that is 1 by, r is equal to 1 by 2 root pi. So into this root pi. So this root pi will cancel, and 2 will go to the numerator and inverted, it becomes 2. Therefore, the answer is 2 units per second, because he has given the units in terms of per second. Therefore, we also have to write the answer in terms of same. Therefore, what is my correct option? That is the first option, A, 2 units per second. What he is saying that let a fixed point, fixed positive real number and small n be the arbitrary constant. Arbitrary constant. Okay. Now, for the curve, he has defined a curve. For the curve, y is equal to x power of n whole divided by a power of n minus 1. Okay. Comma. If the length of the subnormal at any point alpha comma beta is proportional to a square. Proportional to a square. Then he is asking the value of small n is equal to, and the options are, the first option is 2, second option is 1, third option is 0, and the fourth option is 3 by 2. Okay, now write down the solution. So first of all, you analyze the question. What he is saying that let a fixed point, fixed positive real number and n be the arbitrary constant. So let a be a fixed positive number and n be a arbitrary constant. Okay. So he has defined a curve y is equal to x power of n by a power of n minus 1. And in this, what he is saying that if the length of this subnormal to this curve, if you find the length of the subnormal at some point alpha comma beta, and then it is proportional to a square. So it means that you have to find the length of the subnormal and it equal to a square. Okay, then find the value of small. So you have to find the value of n, which is independent, and it is a numerical independent of x. Okay. Now, so whenever we come across length of the subnormal, length of the subtangent, means we want dy by dx. So I am finding dy by dx first of all. So given curve is y is equal to x power of n divided by x power of n divided by a power of n minus 1. So differentiating with respect to x, what I am getting, dy by dx is equal to, this is nothing but x power of n is equal to n x power of n minus 1 whole divided by this is a power of n minus 1 will remain constant, so it remains as it is, isn't it? Therefore, length of the subnormal is nothing but, you know, the formula y into dy by dx, y or y into m. Now is equal to, what is y? Y is defined as x power of n whole divided by a power of n minus 1 into dy by dx. Just now we have found out the value of dy by dx, that is n x power of n minus 1 whole divided by a power of n minus 1. Or if I just multiply this, what I am getting, n will remain as it is. This is same powers will be added, that is x power of 2n minus 1 divided by a power of 2n minus 2. Okay. Now length of the subnormal at some point, length of the subnormal, he says at some point alpha beta, length of the subnormal at alpha comma beta is equal to, it is nothing but n alpha power of 2n minus 1 divided by a power of 2n minus 2, isn't it? But it is given that according to the problem, what he says, length of the subnormal is proportional to a square. So this implies that if I equate this, that is n into alpha power of 2n minus 1 by a power of 2n minus 2 is equal to a square, on cross multiply and simplifying, we get 2n minus 1 is equal to 2, or 2n is equal to 3, or n is equal to 3 by 2. Therefore, my answer is n is equal to 3 by 2. So which option? That is the fourth option, D option. Is it clear? If the length of the subtangent at any point p x comma y on the curve f of x comma y is equal to 0 is x plus 7y square. Then f of x comma y is equal to, the first option is xy plus cy minus 7x is equal to 0. Second option is x by y plus 7x minus c, and the third option is 7y square plus cy minus x, and the fourth option is, that is D, 7xy plus cy minus x. Okay, now come to the solution. So here what is asking, length of the subtangent. You have to find the length of subtangent at the point px comma y for the curve fx is equal to x plus 7y square. Then Find the value of f of x comma y. So you have to find the equation in terms of x and y only. Okay. So write down the solution. Given curve is x plus 7y square. Length of the curve is, so already what he has done, length of the subtangent at any point on the curve is this. So already he has found out the length of the subtangent. So we need not find length of the subtangent directly. We have to use this value. We know that length of the subtangent is equal to y by dy by dx. But what is given? It is given as x plus 7y square is equal to y by dy by dx. Or if I just cross multiply this, dy by dx is equal to y divided by x plus 7y square. Right? So, or if I reverse this, so this becomes dx by dy. So it is nothing but x plus 7y square by y. So if I divide this with y, then this I can write as dx by dy. Transferring to the left side, it becomes minus of y is equal to 7y square by y is equal to 7y. So you may recall that this is nothing but a differential equation. Dx by dy plus py is equal to q. In the form of dy by dx plus py is equal to q. So you are very much perfect in finding the solution of differential equation. First of all, here I have to find the integrating factor. So integrating factor is nothing but integrating factor is equal to e power of minus of 1 by y, integral of minus 1 by y into dy, or which is nothing but integral 1 by y dy is log y, that is e power of minus log y, or it is nothing but log y power of minus 1 is equal to 1 by y. So my integral factor is this one. Therefore, solution is y in x into integrating factor, that is 1 by y is equal to integral of q, that is 7y into integrating factor 1 by y into dy, isn't it? So this is nothing but x by y is equal to y by cancel integral 7 into dy is nothing but 7y, and I am adding some constant, that is c as a constant of integration, or on cross multiply it is nothing but x equal to 7y square plus yc, or if I transfer to the left hand side, this is nothing but 7y square plus cy minus x is equal to 0. So which is the correct option? 7y square plus cy minus x is equal to 7y square minus cy minus x is equal to 0. That is third option. Okay. So third option is my correct option. Okay. Here I will make this option correctly. Here there must be some 0. 0 is missing. So this is also. So is it clear? So you must be perfect in integration also. Sorry, in differential equation also. Okay. Now, if the tangent and normal, if the tangent and normal drawn to the curve, x is equal to a into theta plus sin theta, comma y is equal to a into 1 minus cos theta. Here also he has defined two curves at some point P, theta is equal to pi by 2, cuts the x-axis, at A and B respectively. Then the area in square units of triangle PAB is, the options are, the first option is a square by 2, second option is root 2 whole divided by a square, and third option is a square, and the fourth option is 2a square. Okay, now write down the solution. So what he is asking, try line so that you don't have any confusion. So what he is asking, tangent and normal drawn to the curve. So two curves are given, again they are in terms of theta. So we have to follow the parametric differentiation. We have to find the value of dy by dx. After finding the value of dy by dx, we have to find the slope of the tangents and normal at some point theta is equal to pi by 2. Okay, so again what happened, this normal and tangent, they are cuts the x-axis, or they are intersect the x-axis at some point A and B respectively. So already we have having some point P, so then it makes some triangle POB. So he is asking the area of the triangle POB is equal to how much. Okay, now so given curves are x is equal to a into theta plus sin theta, and y is equal to a into 1 minus cos theta. If I differentiate this with respect to theta, I may get dx by theta and dy by theta, and in short dy by dx is equal to dy by theta by dx by theta, which is nothing but sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. Or if we want to simplify in terms of submultiple, this will reduces to sin theta is equal to 2 sin theta by 2 minus cos theta by 2 whole divided by cos theta is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1. This 1 cancel, so which gives me tan theta by 2. Okay, so this is value of dy by dx. Therefore, first of all I am finding the slope, because I want the equation of the tangent. Therefore, slope of the tangent at P, theta is equal to pi by 2, is nothing but m1 is equal to 1, right? Similarly, what is equation of tangent? Therefore, equation of the tangent is nothing but equation of the tangent at P. What is by P? That is a into, if I substitute theta is equal to pi by 2 here, and you get pi by 2 plus 1, comma a. So this is the coordinate x comma y is y minus y1. What is y1? A is equal to m. M is nothing but 1 into x minus x1. What is x1? A into pi by 2 minus 1. So a into pi by 2 plus 1. Okay, so this is the equation of tangent. So he says it intersect x-axis, means you know that y coordinate is equal to 0. Therefore, the obtained point is, so therefore it intersect on x-axis. Therefore, A is equal to some point A is equal to A pi by 2 comma 0. So we come to one conclusion. Similarly, what we have to find out? Slope of the normal. Okay. Therefore, slope of the normal at the point P, theta is equal to pi by 2 is m2 is equal to minus 1. Okay. Now, equation of normal at the point P is, just now we have found out, y minus y1 is equal to m. M is nothing but your minus 1 into x minus x1. So, x1 is nothing but a into pi by 2 plus 1. Okay. Now, similarly, it intersects on x-axis. Therefore, point B is nothing but a into pi by 2 plus 2 comma 0. Therefore, basically we want the area of the triangle. Therefore, area of the triangle PAB is equal to, you know the formula, that is half into x1, x2, x3, x1, y1, y2, y3, y1. If we substitute in this formula and simplify, we may get the answer as a square. So, what is asking? He is asking the area of PAB. Therefore, my answer is nothing but a square. That is which option? Third option. Some questions from previous examination, which includes partial fraction, trigonometry, etc. Now, write down the first question. The first question is, if 9x minus 7 divided by x plus 3 into x square plus 1 is equal to a by x plus 3 plus bx plus c by x square plus 1, where ABC belongs to R, then we have to find the value of a plus b plus c is equal to. These are the four options. Okay. Now write down the solution. So you know that there are two factors. One is real, one is linear, and there is quadratic. Okay. So therefore, what is the substitution? Let already has given a by something plus bx plus c by x square plus 1. So for linear, the substitution is a, whereas for the quadratic, the substitution is something bx plus c. Okay. So whatever is given, I am writing this. Let 9x minus 7 whole divided by x plus 3 into x square plus 1 is equal to a by x plus 3 plus bx plus c whole divided by x square plus 1. Right? So instead of let it, I will prefer to write given. Right? Now, if I take the LCM from both sides, this x plus 3 and x square plus 1 cancel from both sides. So what I am getting? 9x minus 7 is equal to a into x square plus 1 plus bx plus c into x plus 3. Okay. Now, here the highest coefficient is x square, then x, and then constant term. So what I am doing? Comparing the coefficients of x square comma x and constant term. So what I am getting? So first, if I compare the coefficient here a, here b, so a plus b is equal to 0, right? This is my first equation. So this I can write as a is equal to minus, right? Now coefficient of x, that is b into 3 is 3b plus c into 1 is c. So 3b plus c is equal to 9. Okay. Now constant term is nothing but a plus 3c is equal to minus 7, right? If I solve this equation, second and third, a is equal to minus b means this is nothing but, if I substitute a equal to minus b, so this is nothing but 3b plus c become minus 3a plus c is equal to 9, because the third equation is also in terms of a and c. Therefore, I prefer to convert b in terms of a, and the third equation is again a plus 3c is equal to minus 7. So, if I solve these two equations, that is second, this first and third, solving second and third, what I am getting? I am getting as c is equal to this 3 cancel, c is equal to minus of 6/5, right? Therefore, after getting the value of c is equal to minus 6/5, basically I am interested in finding the value of a plus b plus c. Therefore, a plus b plus c is equal to, so we know that a equal to minus b. If I substitute here minus b plus b, c is equal to minus 6/5. So this minus b plus b cancel, so which gives me minus 6/5. So the correct option is the second one, second option. Okay, is it clear? The value of, we is asking the value of 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cot square theta, when theta is defined as pi by 50, is, the options are, the first option is, the first option is 1, second option is 1 by 2, third option is minus 1 by root 3, and the fourth option is 2. Okay, so it is a very simple question, right? Now write down the solution. Given 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cot square. Okay, so we know that it is in the form of a minus b into a plus b, that is a square minus b square, so which can be written as 1 minus cos square theta into 1 plus cot square theta is nothing but cosec square theta. Okay, now we know the basic identity is, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Therefore, 1 minus cos square theta is nothing but sin square theta into this cosec square theta. So both are reciprocal to each other. We will cancel. So I will get the answer as 1. Therefore, the first option is the correct option. Okay, x is not equal to minus y, and sin x plus sin y is equal to 3 times cos y minus cos x. Then he is asking the value of tan of x minus y is equal to, the options are, the first option is root 3 by 2, second option is minus 1, third option is 3 by 4, and the fourth option is plus 1. Now, by seeing the question, you may get into the point that, okay, when it is given as sin x plus sin y equal to 3 and cos y minus cos x, which is equal to 3 into cos y into minus cos x. So definitely here we have to apply the transformation formula. Okay, so write down the solution. given sin x plus sin is equal to 3 times cos y minus cos x. Okay. Now you see that it is the form of sin c plus sin d, which is nothing but 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d is equal to 3 will remain as it is. It is again in the form of cos c minus cos d, which is equal to minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus cos d is minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d. You may observe that this 2 sin y plus 6 by 2, 2 sin y plus 6 by 2 cancel from both sides, and what is remain on the left hand side is cos of x minus y by 2 is equal to, now if I take out minus common from this, it becomes sin of minus of x minus y, that is sin minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. So this is nothing but minus become plus, and it is nothing but 3 sin of x minus y by 2. I want to make this angle similar to cos. So this is nothing but sin by cos is equal to tan. Therefore, I can write as tan of x minus y by 2. Tan of x minus y by 2 is equal to 1 by 3. Right? So now we got the value of tan x minus y by 2, but basically I am interested in finding the value of tan x minus y. So I have to convert this into in terms of the value of tan theta in terms of some multiple. We know that tan 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta, right? Therefore, tan 2 theta, I am writing the basic formula, tan 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. Okay? So, if I want to convert into in terms of some multiple, so this becomes tan theta is equal to 2 tan theta by 2 whole divided by 1 minus tan square theta. So now you look to the point what we want. We want the value of tan x minus y by 2. So it is very simple. So what you have to do, just replace theta by x minus y by 2, you may get your aim. So I am doing the same thing, that is tan of x minus y by 2 is equal to 2 tan of x minus y by 2 whole divided by 1 minus tan square x minus y. Isn't it? Now, what is tan x minus y by 2? 1 by 3. So this is nothing but 2 by 3 divided by, what is 1 minus tan x minus y by 2? 1 by 3. On squaring this become 1 by 9. So if I simplify this, 2 by 3, 9 minus 1 is 8 by 9. So which gives me 2 by 3 into 9 by 8. So this is nothing but 3 was 3. So this 3 by 4. Therefore, my third option is the correct option. Okay. So this is also asked in 2021 examination. Now, sin of x plus y divided by sin of x minus y is equal to a plus b by a minus b. Then tan x by tan y, tan x divided by tan y is equal to, the options are, the first option is b by a, second option is b by b, third option is ab, and the last option is a power of b. By seeing the question, you must be recall that it is in the form of a by b is equal to c by d. So we have done a number of questions in our IP syllabus by using componendo and dividendo property. Okay, so I am using the same thing now. Write on the solution. Given sin of x plus y divided by sin of x minus y is equal to a plus b by a minus b. Okay, so it is in the form of a by b is equal to c by d. So using componendo and dividendo. What is componendo and dividendo? If a by b is equal to c by d, then a plus b by a minus b is equal to c plus d by c minus b. Okay, so this is my a, this is b, c and d. So sine of x plus y a plus b divided by a minus b is equal to c plus d by c minus d. Okay, now you see that it is in the form of sin c plus sin d. So which is nothing but 2 sin c plus d by 2. C plus d by 2 means plus y minus y cancel, x plus 2x, 2x by 2 is x. Okay, into sin c plus sin d, sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2, c minus d. So minus x plus x cancel, y minus y become plus y. So that is y by 2 is nothing but y whole divided by, it is in the form of sin c minus sin d, which is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin of c minus d by 2 equal to this plus b minus b cancel, minus a plus a cancel, a plus a 2a, b plus b 2b, 2a by 2b is equal to a by b. This 2 to cancel. So sin by cos is equal to tan x, cos by sin is equal to cot y. When it go to the denominator, it becomes tan y, which is equal to a by b. Therefore, my answer is, what is the correct option? That is second, B bit. Okay. So this is also asked in 2021 examination. If 2 plus 2 root 3i 2 plus 2 root 3i is equal to k into cos theta plus I sin theta, cos theta plus sin theta, comma k greater than 0, then I want the value of 1 by root 3 into cos 6 theta plus I sin 6 theta. 1 by root 3 is equal to, the options are, first option is 1, second option is 1 by root 3, third option is root 3, and the fourth option is root 3 by 2. So this question belongs to your complex number. Okay, cos 6 theta plus I sin. We want the value of 1 by root 3 into cos 6 theta plus I sin 6 theta. Right? So write down the solution. What is E1? 2 plus root 3i is equal to k into E1. 2 plus root 3i is equal to k into cos theta plus I sin theta. Okay. So you may, by seeing this equation, you may recall that it is in the form of mod amplitude form. A plus ib is given as in the form of mod amplitude form. Okay. So it means that I want to simplify the left hand side part into the mod am form. Right. So for that purpose, what I am doing, I have to multiply and divide by the square of 2 plus square root of 2 square of 2 plus root 3 square whole square. So this is nothing but 2 plus, basically it is 2 plus 2 root 3, not only root 3. It is 2 plus 2 root 3 is. Two plus 2 root 3. So square of 2 is 4. Square of 2 is 4. 4 into 3, 12. That is 4 plus 12 is equal to 16. So square root of 16 is 4. Is it correct? Have you followed me? What I am doing, this is shortcut method. You have to multiply and divide by a square plus b square square root. Square root of a square plus b square to convert into the mod form. Then one more direct method is that directly which can take us r into cos theta plus sin theta. Then again comparing on both sides, you will get the value for r and cos theta sin theta. Then you will get the value of theta. So that is a lengthy one. We can't prefer that method here. So directly you can multiply and divide with this. So I am doing the same thing. Multiply and divide by 4. So what happens? This 4 will be outside. Now this is nothing but 2 by 4. Okay. Plus this is 2 root 3 by 4. 2 root 3 by 4 into I is equal to k into cos theta plus sin theta. Okay. Now this is 4 as it is. 2 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. Again 2 to cancel. Here nothing but 2 3 by 2 I is equal to k into cos theta plus I sin theta. Now if I compare this from both sides, so what I am getting? I am getting as k is equal to 4, right? Cos theta is equal to 1 by 2, sin theta is equal to root 3 by 2, means theta is equal to pi by 3, that is sin 60 root 3 by 2 and cos 60 is 1 by 2. So my purpose is I got my purpose, that is I want the value of k and theta, so I got it. So after getting the value of k and theta, basically I have to substitute in the given value. What is the given value? So I want the value of this one, that is 1 by root 3, therefore 1 by root 3 into cos 60 theta plus I sin 60 theta. I want this value, therefore which is equal to 1 by root 3 will remain as it is. Now cos as it is, 6 as it is, into what is theta? That is pi by 3 plus I into sin. Again, what is theta? 6 into pi by 3. Okay, so this is 1 by root 3 as it is. 3 1s are 3 2s are, that is cos 2 pi plus I sin 2 pi. Therefore, the value of this is nothing but 1. Therefore, 1 by root 3 into 1. Therefore, my answer is 1 by root 3. So, which is the correct answer? Yes, very good. Second option. Yeah. So, this was asking 2020 Eamcet examination. If x square minus 5x minus 14 greater than 0 and x lies outside alpha comma beta, then alpha by beta is equal to, the first option is minus 2 by 7. Second option is minus 7 by 2. Third option is 2 by 7. And the fourth option is 7 by 2. So the question is very easy. You have to just solve by your concept. Okay. Now write down the solution. So what is given? X square minus 5x minus 14. It is a quadratic expression, not we say quadratic inequation. So first of all, find the factors. This x square minus 5x minus 14 greater than 0. This can be written as, find the factors, that is 14x square minus 7 plus 2 is minus 5. 7 2 is minus 14. Therefore, this is nothing but x minus x plus 2 into x minus 2, right, is greater than 0. Therefore, it means that x is less than or equal to minus 2, x is greater than 7. Therefore, because it is a quadratic one, therefore it has two roots. I am naming the root as alpha is equal to something minus 2 and beta is equal to something plus 7. Therefore, I want the value of alpha by beta. Therefore, alpha by beta is equal to minus 2 by 7. Is it clear? So what is my correct option? That is the first option. Okay. X belongs to R minus 6. The value of x plus 2 into x plus 5 whole divided by x plus 6 does not lie in the interval. The options are, the first option is minus 9 comma minus 1. Second option is minus 5 comma minus 2. Third option is minus 5 comma 2 open interval. Minus 5 comma 2. And the last option is minus 9 minus 1 open interval. Okay, by seeing the question you got the idea. This question belongs to which chapter? First chapter, that is quadratic equation, and this type of question is a repeated question for your IP, right? So what is asking for x belongs to R, he is asking, he has given some expression, so we have to find that this expression does not lie in the interval, so some values are given. Okay, so you know the method how to solve this. I will solve very fast. This is a repeated question for you. Inshallah, you can get easily understood the question. So let x plus 2 into x plus 5 whole divided by x plus 6. We suppose as this is equal to y. Okay. So what is our next step? Cross multiply and multiplying. If I multiply this left hand side, it is x square plus 5x plus 2x plus 10. So which gives me x square plus 7x plus 10 is equal to, on cross multiply, this is about 6x plus 6y. Okay, so if I convert this to the left hand side and make it into the quadratic equation, so what I am getting, x square plus 7 minus 5 into x, 7 minus y into x, because x is common, plus 10 minus 6y is equal to 0. So it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. We know that it is a quadratic equation, then it has the real roots. If delta is equal to b square minus 4ac greater than equal to 0, therefore delta is equal to b square minus 4ac greater than 0. Right? Therefore, what is b? That is 1 minus 5. What is a? 1. What is c? 10 minus cy. If I substitute here, this is nothing but 7 minus 5 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 10 minus 6y is greater than 0. Okay. So if I simplify this in the form of a square plus b square, 7 square is 49. 49 minus 2ab, 2 squares are 14y plus y square minus 4 times the 40 plus 4 6 are 24. 4 6 are 24. Y greater than 0. So which gives me y square plus 10y 49 minus 40 is equal to plus 9 greater than 0. So the factors are very simple. 9 1 are 9. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. Therefore the factors are nothing but y plus 9 into y plus 1 greater than 0. So this means that y is less than minus 9 and y is less than minus 1. So what he is asked, the expression does not lie between which value? That is minus 9 comma minus 1 in open interval. Therefore y does not lies between minus 9 comma minus 1 open interval. Therefore what is my correct option? That is the fourth one. Okay.